this one, we're going to do something I think it's fun. And that is, we're going to do what's called a PowerPoint layering effect. That's where you have one object or picture where it can pass through. In this case, we can move this cheetah through this hoop. Notice he's going behind that part of the hoop, and then he will go in front of the back part of the hoop, which would be a little bit more realistic. Now, we're going to actually make this happen, of course, with animation. So I'm going to put this in slideshow so you can see how this works. Notice how he jumped through the hoop, and he went behind it right there and then went in front of it. Now, how did I do that? Okay, I want you to open up PowerPoint to a blank slide. Make sure you change the layout to blank. You should know how to do that now. And so what we're going to do is first go to the internet and find a blank cheetah. A cheetah with a blank background, actually. I would, if you could find this one, it would be perfect. When you find it, click on it, and then right click and simply copy the image. And then we're going to bring it back to PowerPoint. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. I'm going to use that last paste option right there that says picture. Now, with this picture, there is a background. Although you can't see it, there's a white background. We need to take that off. Click on the Format tab. Click on Remove Background. We're going to slide these all the way over. Slide this up. Slide that out. Slide that down. And that way, and then we can just simply say keep changes, and now the background has been removed, and now the cheetah is perfect. So now what we're going to do is go to the Insert tab, and I want you to go to Shapes, and we want this shape right here. It is the donut, so click it one time, and then we're going to draw the donut about that size. See this little yellow dot right here? I want you to click on it, click and hold, and drag it towards the left. I'm going to make that ring smaller right about there. So that's perfect for now. Now, what we need to do is right click on it, right on top of the ring. We're going to cut it. And then the bottom part, you're automatically taken to the Home tab, the bottom part of the Paste button. Click that and choose Paste Special. And we're going to bring that ring back as a PNG file. I'm going to click OK. And there it is. So now, what I want you to do is we're going to crop. First of all, let's right click on it and copy. And then we're going to make sure this ring is selected, and then go to the Format tab, and then go to Crop, because before we could not crop it. That's why we didn't do it before. Move your cursor right on that little bar right there. Notice your cursor turns into what looks to be like a T, turn sideways. And I'm going to drag it to what I believe is about the center of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, because I'm going to show you why in just a second. Then I'm going to let go, and then just click anywhere else on your screen, and then right click and then paste. The other circle will automatically appear, the other half of it will automatically appear back, and we're going to go back to the Format tab, click Crop. We're going to grab the left side, drag it slowly. Now, if you notice there how this line kind of snaps in place, if you kind of drag it real slow, it'll snap right in place, and it'll connect with that other one. And if you click anywhere else, now that circle is perfect. Now, let's do something else to it. This side we want, remember, let's go back to that first slide so I can show it to you. Since the first part of the circle, the cheetah is going to go behind it, and then this one is going to go in front. So that means the right side of the circle needs to be set to behind. So I'm going to click on this part of the circle. And notice here where it says Send Backwards on your ribbon. We're on the Format tab now. It automatically took you there. click the drop down and choose send to back. And this one we want to bring forward. Click the drop down and choose bring to front. And so let's click on the cheetah, let's move him. Now he's going behind, and then he goes in front. That's perfect. There's only one other thing we need to do, and that is to add animation to the cheetah to make him move. Go to the Animations tab, click the drop down, scroll down, go to, we want to go to More Motion Paths. And then we want to choose the motion path. I'll scroll down until I can find the one I'm looking for. And it will be the arc up right there. So I'm going to click it and then click OK. Now, we need to fix this arrow. So I'm going to stretch it. And we may need to move him back just a little. And our circle, well, actually we can leave it right where it is. But I'm just stretching this out, if you notice, to where he will go straight through. And I think that's it. I think we have him exactly where we want him. Let's put it in slideshow and see what happens. We're in slideshow, I'm gonna click, he jumps, boom. Perfect. So that's how you do the PowerPoint layering effect.